The Novi Home Design Center is your one-stop shop for window and door replacement and peace of mind. You will be dealing with professionals from your first visit to our showroom through project completion. And when the job is scheduled, we stick to it. We don't use subcontractors. Our factory-trained installers are veteran home builders and craftsmen who will ensure your windows and doors fit tight and match perfectly to your home. They treat your home as if it were their own. They protect your floors from foot traffic and cover your furniture. At the end of each workday, they vacuum, clean up the trash, and haul it away. Visit our Novi Home Design Center showroom to see quality windows and doors on display. Get all your questions answered about our window and door replacement services.